Motorsport. What we've got today is a V6 LFX, and we just want to show you what we've done recently with a few updates on our tunes. So we've been developing tunes for now 6-7 years pretty hardly on the LFX engine. In the last month or two we do offer a different tune-up with different cam options. So what we're going to do is show you standard cams, but what we've done is perfected our tune and spent a lot of time to actually change the cam time. So what we'll do is we'll show you, this is our preferred intake of choice. Now if you come in and have a look, there's the awesome OTR. We don't make that, but we do stock it and sell it. We seem it gives the best stability and best power overall. VCM do make one. We do prefer this one. They're similar in power, but realistically that's the one we choose at GM Motorsport to do. A lot of people have been doing camshafts as well. We're developing some other camshafts, but at this stage, honestly, I would say stick with the standard camshafts. Get a custom tune where we change the intake and the exhaust closing and how it works at different RPM. That is the most vital part of it. Some of the cams, and I will name them, the Mace 211 cams that are out, waste of time. Don't bother, you'll be disappointed unless you can alter the cam timing and play with ignition timing, everything else. You're probably going to get a result that's worse than just putting them in on their own. So we've tuned a few and we've fixed a few up, but honestly, save yourself the money. Just get the normal cams with the GM Motorsport tune where it actually changes the cam timing. In future, we've got some other cams which have done some development work, but they're not released yet. That could change, but at this present time, we suggest you leave the standard cams in, change the cam timing, fit one of these OTRs and an X-Force full system, and you get extremely good results. We'll run this up. This car's in good nick. It's a manual transmission, so it is going to show pretty high figures on the dyno, but I think you'll be quite surprised. So we'll run it up and we'll show you what we actually have, what our tune was probably a year or so ago. So all these guys that had tunes a year ago, contact us. We can upgrade to change the cam timing to a more aggressive stance we do. So we'll give it a run on the dyno and we'll see what power we get. Okay, what you see is a very healthy car with the mods that we've done. What I'll do is I'll show you some overlays. So basically, standard one of these things on 98 fuel might make about 180-ish kilowatts. Our previous tunes, yellow, so if you had a manual you'd probably come around here with 225 real kilowatts, so follow the red cursor. With our updated tunes, we've progressed along to around about 234 mark, which is good, and you've got some good increases you can see here in the power and also in the torque curve. Our current one, which we just ran, it's 240 mark. We've actually got one here at 241.5, obviously if we ran the car again, it would actually probably make that power. So you do see the difference from, basically, we will remove that one. Red one. So from our previous tunes from a year ago and our V6 guys, we've altered a fair few things, torque management as well, to help us with the throttle positioning and what the torque was allowed for these cars. They're very finicky with the ECU, with the E39A. So guys, good result, and yeah, as I said, this is without camshafts, this is with modified camshaft timing, modified torque tables, modified throttle, some new stuff that we've been developing for a while. So as I said, at the moment I would hold off on camshafts until we get some more data and have some more camshafts. I wouldn't recommend the Mace 211 cams. We've tested enough of them. You're wasting your money. If you want to put it in, you know, that's your choice, but at the end of the day I would save up for other modifications to your car. As you said, this trusty awesome OTR, we don't make it, but we recommend it. It works well. If you have a VCM one, they work well as well, and we can tune it as well. So either one is good. We prefer this one, but either would work. So if you have a VCM one, I wouldn't be throwing it away to put one of these on. We can tune it and fix it as well. I would not recommend the camshafts. Again, I can't tell you strongly enough. Don't waste your money on it. Get a tune, either intake, good set of exhausts on it. That'll be the way to go. Until next time, and we'll have some more cam development. Stay tuned. GM Motorsport leading the way with V6 tuning. Thanks guys. Bye.